Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 disassembly video brings a closer look at its two halves design. Also, repairing of the broken screen of the Z Fold3 and the Z Flip3 cost has been arrived. And the Galaxy S22 Ultra may use the predecessor camera, and finally the Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro to support up to 33-watt charging. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest scoop. So guys, you have probably heard about both the Z Flip3 and the Z Fold3 by now, but the YouTuber PBK Reviews has given us about the inverse of the brand new clamshell foldable in its latest signature disassembly video. According to the video, the back panel of the device can be removed by using the heat gun treatment on the both sides of the Z Flip3, and you can disassemble the back panel. After disconnecting the cover screen connection cables, a few screws and a cable, we get a closer look at the top half of the device. We can see 1.9-inch of cover screen, main board, dual screen, and a smaller 930 mAh of battery capacity. The inside area of the bottom half of the phone holds a sizable graphite pad for thermal management, as well as the second 2370 mAh of battery, speaker assembly, and charging port. Lastly, we get a look at the flexible display, which is extremely thin and sits at top of the new device folding hinge. The verdict is clear: the Galaxy Z Flip3 is far from any easily repairable phone, earning a 4 out of 10 repairability rating. So honestly guys, if your device is ever been broken or disassembled, or your screen has been broken, then there is a new leak that has been arrived regarding the broken screen of the Z Fold3 and the Z Flip3 cost. According to the information, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 will cost you around $480 for the inner screen repair, whereas $150 for the outer screen repairing, whereas the Z Fold2 was costing you around $550 and $140 respectively. As far as the Galaxy Z Flip3, replacing a broken inner screen will cost you around $370, whereas the outer screen will cost you around $100, which is going to be pretty much same towards the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, which costs $500 for inner display and $100 for outer display. So guys, this is going to be really expensive for you if your inner screen display has been broken. So definitely you should use the Samsung Cover Plus, which will cost you around $13 a month in order to have smaller replacement bill. But anyhow, all around the world, if you pre-order the device, you are going to be covered with one-time screen replacement using the Samsung Care Plus, which is coming alongside with the pre-orders. So definitely do pre-order the device now and you will get this benefit. If anytime your screen has been broken, you are covered using the Samsung Plus. So guys, moving forward towards the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which may reuse the predecessor camera setup according to the latest news. Basically, that news has been coming from Galaxy Cloud, which indicates that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be reusing the same hardware in terms of camera as the S21 Ultra, which means we will see the same 108 megapixel sensor, 10 megapixel periscopic zoom, 10 times zoom, and 10 times telephoto lens with 3 times of zoom capability, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. So basically, I think that the camera setup of the S21 Ultra is far ahead from the competition. So definitely I'm not shocked about the S22 Ultra camera specs. So guys, the final story of today is regarding the Google 6 and the 6 Pro charging capability. While we know more of the information about the Google 6 and the 6 Pro through leaks, and the design has been confirmed by Google itself, now the charging capability of the device has been leaked. According to a new report coming from 91 Mobiles, that charging of the Google new Pixel 6 devices is about to get faster. According to the tipster Yogesh Bras, source has spotted that Google will be using a 33 watt of charging brick at the company head office, which indicates that we are going to see the 33 watt charging in the Pixel 6 Duo. Currently, the Pixel lineup only support the 18 watt maximum fast charging, so definitely this is going to be a great move if that leak is true. So guys, all in all, the repairing of a broken screen for both the foldable devices is expensive. If you pre-order the device now, then you will get a Samsung Care Plus for one-time screen repairing will be free for you. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.